Alright, what's up gang? Welcome back to my channel by Shad. If you're new, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button down below, and also hit that notification bell if you don't have it on already. So in today's video, we're going to be doing another tutorial on fabric, but we're going to be doing gluing fabric onto canvas rather than leather like I taught y'all before and showed y'all, which is a little bit easier. You have to be a little bit more patient with gluing fabric on canvas. And also this is a way that you don't have to use stitching or stitch at all for the shoe, which will secure it a little bit more, but this is just a little easier beginner step, which I still use in my customs today because I really have no problems with it coming up or any customer complaints about it falling off or anything like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to this video. I'll show y'all the shoe and then the shoe that we're trying to get to, the custom, and I'll show you all my supplies. So we are going to be doing the Gucci Vans custom. This is a fabric and not a leather, and then the shoe as well is on the toe, the lace, and then the heel is suede, but right here it's canvas. It's canvas material. So yeah, this is pretty dope, easy custom to do. I have, let me focus it in. I have no stitch around the shoe like how the shoe right here has stitch. You can do stitching, but I'm just showing y'all an easier beginner step, which is very effective as well. And like I said, it doesn't come up. You got little teeny parts on the shoe as well that's flat down, and all I use is glue. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, what's up guys? Now this is all the supplies you're going to need to get to this. So you gotta have I got my fabric, I got my shoe, I got me some like masking tape. I'm using this Gorilla clear grip glue. As you can see, it's kind of all smushed up, but you can use E6000 or the cement glue, bar cement glue, and some scissors to cut. And I have a pen to line out where I have to cut, and then this is just a flattening tool. You don't really need this, I just use this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it, and y'all can watch me do my work. And also, when you're cutting your fabric, make sure you leave some room. So I'm going to have my line like right here. I don't want to cut right there. I want to cut a little bit, maybe like an inch, half an inch under it, so I can leave myself some room so it's not too close or too short. Alright, now after you finish that, and if you was doing it step by step, after you finish, you should have something similar to looking like this, without any stitches. So it's pretty clean. It's not 100% perfect, but I mean, hey, these joints are fire. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, learned something new, or help entertain y'all, whatever the case may be. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment down below if you have any questions, or you think these dope, you will like them, you will rock them, you will buy them. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm out.